Hello, YouTubers. Okay. What's up, guys? Oh, so good. Okay, guys. So this is the today I got the cute chili set, and I've already opened up the lid, so I'll show you what it's like. Let's get over here. Let's get opening. Okay, so I'm about to open it. I'll just open that bit. Okay, now I'm done. So this is the cute little girl. So yeah. So as you can see, here's the cute little girl. You can style her. This has a game. Okay, and it's like a stress ball. This is only £1 because it looks like it's easily made. And this is his little play model. So let's put that down there. So you see like that, you can style her hair. This is in a plait. I need to turn the light. This is the plait. And yeah. Okay, so let's take it away.
1 of 4. First one.
So she looks really good. Cute, cute, cute.
Where did you find it? Did you hide it? Did you? You can't not have it. You know why, don't you? The whole arm could drop off.
Okay, so guys.
Yeah. Really?
This is awesome.
Chop the whole top off.
I can't really. Okay guys, so this is what she looks like.
Oh, come on. You were so brave. You had a needle stuck in the end of your bloody finger, for God's sake. And now with medicine, you're
I'm a frog. I'm a frog boy.
And he said he could put her in
That's good.
water.
Let's go. Let's go.
I just found this play thing
What
on
a
my
fool.
desk. So see my desk. I can't really see my desk, but yeah. So this is my desk. I'll fill that up with water, and I'll tell you when I'm back. Okay, guys. So this is the plate. So this is the water, and you said you can dip her in, but you need and the instructions said you need oh my god, what was it again? You need a flannel, so I'm gonna get a flannel. Okay? Okay guys, so I'm about to dip this cute little guy, see that? Into the water. So let's go.
Because she's our friend. That's pathetic. You choose friendship over power? No. We have fun.
Okay, so this is 8, so
Wow. I can't believe I was such a cool nasty mess. Yeah. What about Emily? Wow, pretty convincing.
Yeah, that was hilarious.
okay, so she's like that. Done. Oh, that's cute.
I'm gonna make it up to you guys.
very soon. I hope you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I love you. No, don't. Well, thanks for watching. Bye 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 bye.